Hi, how are you?
Very good, very good. Yeah, just getting into with you, so I'm getting through with you. Yeah, good, all
I'm
good.
I'm really looking at you at absolutely a new Rahul Roy and who's looking near perfect now. And so
I,
good to
I
see
know.
that.
Thank you very much. How have you been? All good?
I'm good, yeah, I'm good. Just going along and we all are waiting, I guess, for things to really open up and life to become normal.
Yeah, I will eventually. I'm just going to try to give you the thing right now, whatever quickly, and then later on
Absolutely,
I will.
absolutely, absolutely, Rahul. So I quickly start with you without detaining you
Yeah,
for anything longer. Tell me first and foremost, how is your health and how are you feeling when you get up in the morning? How are you eating? Uh, Talking to friends on phone? Has life returned to near normal for you?
I am doing with my with her now right now very much and doing it very much per person with how you are telling me per word. So I come and tell you just few people that I come and tell you a few people that I tell, and that is what I'm trying to get through with getting through with you people. So hopefully I'm going to get it done, and then maybe 2 months or 3 months I will need to do, and then I'll be out of this all this thing. Yeah. So I'm trying to get this thing out.
But Rahul, you're speaking very well. You're speaking full sentences now, and it's so heartwarming to see that.
It's yeah. I'm trying very much, but even then I'm trying to get this thing out of my thing. Yeah, my thing. But anyway, I'll get it down
Yeah,
through
yeah.
something in 2 months time or something like that. Yeah.
So what about your nutrition and sleeping habits, and how is your day like?
I am very much thank you for my. I'm trying to get her.
Your sister Priyanka,
He
yeah.
is
Yeah.
following up. I mean, it's quite tight, but he's trying to. He miss his old habits because he used to love eating. My brother loves eating.
Hmm.
He really
but
loves eating.
but
Hmm.
now
Okay.
I'm not so much asking per
Yeah,
purpose.
yeah, yeah. He's
It's just one
managing.
one amount that I
He's
give.
managing to cope up with me. And he's getting to eat all the greens, all the reds, yellows, and everything.
Which is something very good for me. It's
Are
very
you
very very
sure?
it's very difficult for me to get through,
Yeah.
but it's something that I'm
Though he
working.
doesn't like it, but you understand, he is eating.
No, I can
But
see that. He's saying it's difficult.
I'm,
You're reluctantly eating those. But what are the don'ts which the doctor has told you? ये नहीं खाना है, कौन सी चीजें नहीं खानी?
he's
We are
told me everything.
totally.
He's told me everything, not to
No,
say
no.
anything.
He is completely almost off from all the non-vegetarian food
Yeah,
Hmm.
because chicken is not good for him,
true.
for the stroke patients.
Hmm.
Okay. Of course, I give him almost 6 days or 5 days a week salmon.
Yeah.
Okay. Fish he's eating. And he's on a lot of fiber, protein, and all the things which actually benefits any stroke patients.
Hmm.
And he had a, it was not a small stroke, it was a moderated stroke, okay, which actually settled down later on. And for such kind of thing, it's very dangerous that it can occur again.
So
So we do not take any risk. We do not listen to him. How much ever he says, I am okay. Now I can have chicken. I can have all that he likes, bacon or whatever. So we do not listen to him. The plate comes with, lot of good recipes. And he eats that. No?
Yeah, that's why I'm actually
Actually,
in
my
a way.
brother is really doing well.
I'm very
He's
good. I'm very
तो
good
trying
with
to
it.
support
तो
me.
बहुत बार तंग करते होंगे, आज क्या बना रहे हो बता दो मुझे.
नहीं नहीं अभी तो सब
In 24 hours, I just sleep 2 hours.
I don't really
Maybe
too much
not
to
that
do, but
also.
I am telling her that tell me whatever needs to be done, and I will get it done accordingly.
Used to love eating,
And
sweets. He can eat 1 kilo sweet at
नहीं
once,
भाई बंद करो
but
वो सब.
now he's controlled a lot.
हम्म.
We don't make it at home, anything like that. And he
हम्म.
doesn't, if he sees also when we use it for puja or something, he's like, can I have one piece, please?
Then you
and
allow?
in fact, all of them, in fact, have even told me that I used to have this. Nothing, all
Yeah,
totally is
definitely.
gone,
And
totally
he's
gone.
never asked me, ever,
Never ever told
ever
me.
Cigarettes you
after
mean?
that.
Yeah, cigarettes.
So that's quite a big thing because when I started with that from 40,
It's the
40
in a day he used to smoke almost one packet plus,
One
always,
packet of
or
cigarettes.
two packets.
yeah,
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 हाँ हाँ
cigarettes.
हाँ.
Now it's
just
so
gone.
he's been very supportive in that. He's never shown any withdrawal symptom. Nothing. He never asked. He never asked that can I get something. Never. He
Hmm.
understood that that is how bad it is for health. Never asked.
So
यार एक बात
with that,
बताओ, when person is little down in life, he realizes who are his friends, who are his relatives who really care for him. Did you realize in this few days after December, maybe 3 months, I would say now, that
yeah.
it is Priyanka, it is Romir, your brother-in-law, and maybe a few others. Did you get the segregation of it, that who seemed closer to you but are not, and it is the immediate family that is perhaps counted only?
My four people that have come to me has been through me and my main thing that has been there throughout,
Huh.
and that has been throughout my her another and my brother that was there. That's
Hmm.
it.
Hmm.
And although the some people are coming through with us, but I'm just sort of just catching up with all of them, sort of coping with me every now and then. But basically, between the four of them, that is what my thing is actually.
बट ऐसे
Not
ऐसे
more.
कुछ लोग आपने आइडेंटिफाई किए जो आपको बहुत, नाम भले मत लीजिए, लेकिन कुछ लोग
Yeah.
बहुत क्लोज लगते थे, लेकिन अभी समझ में आया कि यार इतना तो.
I knew about all that, but now this is much more for me to be. But I will always sort of take them like just as people that are coming to me like that. But I will just sort of keep up with them, not be really so much with all of them so much.
वेरी
I will be like
अकोमोडेटिंग राहुल रॉय.
that's it. Yeah.
या टेल मी, घर पर आप, मैंने सुना बिग बॉस बहुत देख रहे हो, एंड यू वांट, in fact you gave an interview to Times Group, you want Ali Goni to win, or you want Rahul
Yeah.
Vaidya to win.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, you are not rooting for Rubina Dilaik, whom I
No,
think more entrenched there.
I used to be with yeah, within her, but
He used to support
but
her,
but
but now he has changed his
but
mind.
now but that is why most of the guys are getting like that. That one they're taking like in one, then and then in another one that they're taking it. So I still feel that the next few days that they will take a few things, but now it's not going to be. But the thing is the way that they're trying to keep up everything with the thing, so it's just getting this thing. So I feel that I feel that both of them should have a thing, but anything can be any of those guys who are coming up and coming up with whatever is going
So
to be
what
there.
was that in Rubina which put you, I mean, off the? I mean, she was
No,
no more in your wish list.
she was number four in my thing. That was only when she was coming in from those things, from those the two guys who are coming through. So
Until you had not seen Ali.
Ali just suddenly comes suddenly, in the last
He
couple
burst
of
on the
things.
scene. Yeah.
So I feel that I feel that these things will be, like he will be one of the guys who will definitely be there. But again, like I tell you, like whoever comes in at the end, right the last minute, everybody is just coming up and saying, I want him to become the next. Uh, so it's just very, very, very difficult to come up with from that kind of a thing. But I mean, that's what this is happening, and unfortunately the contest,
Concept.
they are not coming with the actual amount that they are going to be coming in, whether इसको साथ आना चाहिए उसके साथ आना चाहिए. It's going to be very, 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 very difficult with that thing. Yeah. But I still want these two guys to hopefully try and come, whatever's going to come.
एक सवाल पूछना था. I mean, had you been fine? I mean, maybe of course next season you'll be fine. अगर आपको बुलाते तो आप जाते?
No. I would not go again.
पुराने contestants आ रहे हैं.
नहीं. For me, for several reasons, once I've done it. I'm not going to try to come into this again, kind of a thing. It's no longer a more kind of a situation where they are going to be like proper people that they are going to get. It's now going to be much more. Those people are better people than made, in that particular situation or that. So for me, that thing is no longer a sort of a thing that what
novelty. No novelty. You already won it. Yeah, you've seen it all. That's what you're saying.
Exactly. So all that has already been done and done with, so it's just a question of.
And maybe you don't want to spoil somebody else's game, the new participant.
True. That's why I don't want to play with it and play any of these games. I'm okay doing this, and because I've done it, I say fine, I've done it, and that's it. That's just
one of the last few questions, Rahul. Very quickly, how about movies now? What's the plan? You want to deep dive into movies after a brief while, once you're absolutely.
There's one film that I'm trying to do for one that is for.
Okay, there is a very good film which is coming. Mostly it is up to the production team when they are releasing, whether it is April or May. And I think that is the place where he'll be able to change that, romantic hero image. Okay. And you'll get to see my brother in a totally different avatar, and you'll see that it's not.
You will give justice to him.
Yes, it's a proper film. It's not.
You finished shooting for that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 2 years back.
So which is that
just
one?
Finished it now because of
and it's with a very good director.
कौन सी है?
COVID.
It is coming. Right now, we are not supposed to speak about it.
Okay,
I can just promise one thing.
But it's been very
what we waited for 14 years or 11 years, that is the content.
Very good.
It's a proper content, and it's a cinema. It's a beautiful film within a film.
You know what? To raise your spirits, if I can suggest, please watch Ashiki again and again. Those songs.
Yeah, I do.
those songs.
I do. I know. I know that. And I'm hoping that this one will also be somewhere on that thing.
Hmm.
And of course, I'd love to be coming back, hopefully start getting back into all this. I want to get back into all these things. Yeah. So I'm
Would you
hoping.
like to say about your Night in Fog? Probably
I
Tanvi.
am. I'm going to do Nike and
There is another
Friday.
film which we hopefully expect that next year it comes out, or however
Amri,
it is. It's with Tanveer
Tamir
Ahmed,
Ahmad. Yeah. So
and it's Night and Fog. It's a very beautiful film, and again, it's a content.
I'm going to tell all of these two films that I will give you very, very honestly. And hopefully, I will tell you all these things are going to be coming out in those.
My last question is that this period which has gone by in the last few years, how have you taken it? I mean, in general, how were you? What were you doing these days? And मतलब क्या कर रहे थे आप? Are you open to OTT also? Are you open to web
I
shows?
am. I am definitely looking out for people, but I am going to be looking out for that kind of look that is going to be coming to what I am going to be doing the stuff.
Which
So,
justifies your
which
character.
yes, that justifies whatever the kind of things that is there.
जी.
Otherwise, I'm not going to be taking care with whatever
Random
just giving.
projects.
I'm not going to be doing those kind of stuff.
हाँ.
So that is what I'm trying to do. That if it's due to my kind of stuff, I will do it. If not, then I will just not do that kind of stuff there anymore. So I'm
So
just
I'm
going to
glad
try
that
and
I'm glad that you're going to go through that process of reading scripts again, taking
thank you.
decisions, and earmarking your कि मेरे को यहाँ land करना है, यहाँ नहीं land करना है. That spirit
I
is
know.
very much alive, and I'm so happy to
I
see
know.
you. I think all the viewers who are seeing you on eTimes today must be absolutely thrilled. Must be absolutely thrilled because we saw a few
The
videos earlier, and I think there is a massive improvement. I mean, massive is a very modest word as I speak to you. Yes, Priyanka, you were
Thank you
saying?
very much.
I must tell you, the film which we are talking about, which is going to come, that it was a mathematical acting, which has taken a long procedure, 6 months workshop, and he was put in the condition where it was completely, which he has never done it
Hmm.
before.
Hmm.
That part has completely changed him as an actor.
Hmm.
Now he is not at all. You'll see a great move with
Hmm.
my brother that he's no more acting in it. He's become an act
Uh, uh,
in that film.
No, it's
His
good.
part is beautiful.
Rahul, अभी
I'm trying.
storytelling पूरी change हो गई है. So you have
Yeah.
biopics, you have real stories, and then you have these young directors who also want you to read the book, do the research.
Right.
I mean, if it is related to a book or
Yeah.
get into workshops. I mean, things
Yeah.
have changed now. I really don't know because whether you like this kind of cinema, which will be the last question to ask you. You
I'm
like this
liking this
kind of
kind of cinema.
this kind of cinema, or that kind of cinema which you grew up on in the 90s, with those I mean terrific
No,
songs and
that is
heroes
now
and heroines.
that is kind of that's what I've gone with, and now what I'm doing is this kind of stuff, and that's what I want to try and get
Okay, okay.
more with people to get down.
Okay, so you're
So
keeping it times. I mean, that's what you're.
yeah, I'm trying. Let's see. We'll
I
see.
think you have to,
But
if you ask me. But I mean,
I will do that. I'll do that, and hopefully get all these things there. I'll tell you all the
I'm
things.
sure. I'm sure. We wish you all the best, and
Thank you very much.
please stay safe and keep
Thank you.
improving like this. I think it's just a matter of time
Anji, I will. I'm
when
telling you.
you will
Yeah.
be 100% fit.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you
Thank you.
very much.
Thank you, Rahul.
Take,
Thank you so much
thank
for
you.
this interview.
Welcome.
And thank
Thank
you,
you.
Thank
Priyanka.
you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Stay in touch.
Bye. 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 Bye.